I can't believe I'm about to do this. Hey there guys! Are y'all ready to see my product stash / watch me organize it? It's real bad right now. I know. This is a video that I have been really not ever wanting to make, but it's been requested quite a few times, and I'm going to insert the disclaimer here that no one ever needs this many hair products ever. This is just my hobby. This is something I enjoy. I don't tend to collect other things like too many shoes or bags or other things that people tend to collect. I collect hair care. So keep that in mind. But this is it. In fact, I'm going to insert a full-length shot of this. This is supposed to be our linen closet, and there's only one shelf that even has some linens on it. The rest is hair care. So I thought that in order to make this video as more helpful or enjoyable would be to watch it transform from this mess to organized. Let's see if I can show you. I actually have all those boxes right here. I'm really excited to get everything, I'm really excited to get everything put into those, get things to where I can see them and access them easily, because right now these shelves are, as long as my arm. And it is hard to reach stuff that's in the back. It's hard to even see stuff that's in the back. So I'm gonna organize it all, take y'all along in that process, and then I'll kind of break down what I have organized. Also, I wanted to say that I'm not a professional organizer. I don't even really like organizing. I kind of hate it, and I'm bad at it. I do, however, deeply enjoy watching people reorganize their homes. Like those kinds of videos on YouTube bring me pleasure. So that's one reason we're doing this today. Also, it's in desperate need of a good reorganizing. So with that being said, I am going to take everything out of here and put it maybe on the floor of my closet or the floor of my bathroom. We're gonna do the floor of my bathroom. And then we're gonna evaluate from there. All right, we are clean, so clean. I am pleased with that. I still have just some essentials down there, cleaning, etc. But here is all the product. Oh my goodness gracious. I guess this is why Marie Kondo says to like put all your clothes on your bed, to give you an idea of how many clothes you have. Put all your hair care products on the floor. Or don't. What I'm feeling right now does not feel good. All right, there's our lighting situation. I'm gonna go through the process of putting all this stuff back. Oh, this is fun. Well, I'm not sure where that cut off, but I'm just going to finish up. We're coming along, we're almost there. That cut off again really quickly. Almost done. Really close. And there we go. That is it, my friends. All right, we're gonna do this a little bit quickly. Let's see if I can get some better light in here. It's a little better. All right, so we have shelf 1, shelf 2, and shelf 3. On this shelf, in this back corner, right y'all, we have deep conditioners and clarifiers. Then in this bin, I have Zoto's Professionals All About Curls products. In this bin, I have some Bounce Curl and Mop Top. There are a full 1 brand wash day of both in there. And then InnerSense standing on this little box ledge right there. InnerSense products. And down here I have a couple of 1 brand wash days of products I have yet to show that I still want to do, still want to show. Some drugstore products. The majority of the drugstore products are back here. This is all Curlsmith. I have some Innate Life products that I like, that I've tried a couple of times. And this right here are the rest of the products that I want to test out for my single styler showdown. I say that. I also want to do all foams and mousses, and that's everything in this bin. Also, I want to highlight these products right here. So this company reached out to me and was really interested in sending me some products. Their products are targeted towards hair growth. And I turned them down, honestly, because I don't necessarily need more products. But I did ask, since my mom has actually gone through cancer this past year, she's working on trying to grow her hair back, and she was using products recommended to her by her doctor, and it was not working at all. So when this company reached out to me, I asked them, okay, Keratin, would you be interested in sending the products to my mom? And they did. And guys, here are my mom's before and after photos. She used the products for 2 months and she is just beyond thrilled. So I just want to say thank you to Keratin for loving on my mom. This video is not sponsored. They are not paying me to talk about these products. And the reason that I have some in here for me is that after my mom's success with the products, I actually kind of wanted to try them out, because for whatever reason this winter, I have been losing way more hair every wash day than I have in the past. I don't know what's going on. I figured it was something due to cyclical shedding, and I will say, I've used these products a couple of wash days. Not only do they smell amazing, get my hair clean, are 100% Curly Girl approved, I also noticed significant reduction in shedding when I use these products. I don't know, I'm impressed. Anyway, I've got to put this down. My arm is dying. Ow, the camera's heavy. Maybe it's not heavy, maybe I'm just weak. All right, guys, that is it for this closet declutter. I am feeling so much better about how everything is organized, and now I can really get to things and I know exactly where each product is and will be way more organized. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to hang out with me some more, I would love to hang out with you. Go ahead and subscribe and click that notification bell. There will be more videos coming on this channel very soon. And for those of you wondering why I have so many, I started playing around with the Curly Girl method back in 2018, and my hair went from looking like this to, after learning how to really care for my hair well, playing with products, learning application techniques, to looking like this. Right now it's up in a pineapple because I was organizing things. Anyway, thank you guys. I love y'all. Hope you have an absolutely fantastic day, and I will talk to y'all later.